How to automate your email marketing. While the automation process varies by Spanish casetas, there are several universal steps you'll take when automating the process. Define your email segments. Effective campaigns start with list segmentation. Use the data about your subscribers to group them. This allows you to create more personalized campaigns. Depending on your audience, this data might include behavioral data from your website, demographic data, such as location, age, or gender, topics that are important to them. Design an efficient email series. After segmenting your email list, it's time to design a series. This is a list of emails that fulfill the objective of the campaign. Determine the right triggers. Once you've designed your workflow, determine what actions will trigger the next email in the sequence. Examples of triggers can include customers opening your email, clicking on a link, or not opening it within a predetermined time frame. Depending on your goals, your email triggers might look something like this. Subscriber signs up for your email list. Send a welcome email with a coupon and several popular items. After 1 week, send a second email promoting new arrivals. Subscriber visits your women's clothing section. Send an email promoting a new collection. Subscriber adds an item to their cart but doesn't convert. Send an email reminder with a 10% off coupon. While this example is for an e-commerce company, you can create similar series for nurturing leads, promoting a course, or driving traffic to your blog. To succeed with email, you need to design strategic campaigns. Here are some of the best strategies you can employ. Use the right email list building strategies. The success of your email marketing campaigns depends on the quality of your email list. To build a list, you must use list building strategies designed to attract your target audience. For example, a case study promoted on LinkedIn may help a B2B brand build a list of engaged subscribers, but would flop when used by a B2C brand. Examples of good list building strategies include offering a coupon, creating a downloadable asset, hosting a webinar. Practice good email list hygiene. Another essential email marketing strategy is practicing good email list hygiene. Removing inactive subscribers and incorrect email addresses will improve your sender reputation. Consider sending an email to subscribers who haven't opened your messages and ask if they're still interested. If they aren't, remove them from your list. Keep your list warm. Regularly send emails to your list to keep your subscribers engaged. Warm, sporadic emailing could result in subscribers forgetting who you are and lead to low conversion rates. If some of your subscribers go cold, you can run a re-engagement campaign through paid ads. Focus on one objective. Design each campaign and email to focus on one objective. Trying to kill two or more birds with one stone doesn't work with email marketing. It only confuses your audience and reduces your conversion rates. Define and track the right KPIs. Success requires more than sending subscribers an email every few weeks. To understand which strategies are effective, you must track the performance of your campaigns. That means defining and tracking the right key performance indicators, KPIs. Depending on your goals, your KPIs might include open rates, click-through rates, sales, blog traffic, unsubscribe rate,